As many of us know, if not planned out properly, a trip to IKEA can turn into an all-day event. With multiple sections, the marketplace, showroom, self-serve area, restaurant, and checkout, our fave Swedish warehouse-sized store can be the answer to your home decor prayers, or just all kinds of confusing, especially for a first-timer. Here, the time and money-saving tips to shopping IKEA like an insider. 1. Download the IKEA Place App. The IKEA Place App is a free app from IKEA that lets you visualize what IKEA products will actually look like in your space before buying them. Using Apple ARKit technology, you can see in advance how IKEA products will look in your home, helping you choose the right color, style, or fit for your space. 2. Create a shopping list. From planning your visit to finding and remembering everything you need, the IKEA Store app is perfect for making shopping lists and locating products in the store. Store maps are also available at the entrance to help guide you to where you want to go. 3. Subscribe to the IKEA catalog. Unlike other catalogs that go directly from your mailbox to the trash bin, IKEA's is a thick paperback coffee table-like book, and one we actually want to flip through. Far from junk mail, this catalog with its curated rooms provides major inspiration for store shopping, so we can live out our affordable designer home dreams. 4. Get discounts with an IKEA Family Card. Not only is it free to join, but with the Family Card, you can get exclusive deals and offers. And don't let the name fool you. You don't have to be a family or have children in order to join. The IKEA Family Card is simply the company's loyalty program. 5. Keep the savings coming with IKEA's moving program. You may be giving up an arm and a leg to put down a security deposit on a new apartment, not to mention packing materials for your move. But if you sign up for IKEA's moving program, you'll receive $25 off your next purchase of $250 or more. 6. Measure your space before you go. Yes, this seems obvious, but it's worth repeating. No way will you want to have to lug a couch or dining table that didn't make the cut back to the store. Complimentary handy paper measuring tapes, about 1 meter long, are available at the store entrance to make your life that much easier. 7. Look for the bright yellow Last Chance tags. These are items that are being discontinued or transferred out of the store to make room for new products. They are at their lowest price, so no buyer's remorse here. 8. Shop wedding, party, and holiday decorations on the cheap. Remember, IKEA has more than just furniture. For under $2 each, you can stock up on unscented pillar candles for a dreamy tablescape, or festive red garland for your entryways or Christmas tree. IKEA has got you covered. 9. Buy IKEA items on Amazon to save big on shipping. It pays to be an Amazon Prime member with that free 2-day shipping, especially if the IKEA desk you want is over $100 to ship from the IKEA warehouse. But pay attention to IKEA items from third-party sellers, as they may mark up the prices. 10. Shop the As-Is section on Wednesday to save $10. Tucked away downstairs between the last aisles of the warehouse and the checkout is the As-Is section, full of new items in open boxes or barely used products with minor scratches or dents. You'll find the best swag on Monday, as most people make returns over the weekends, so stock will be larger and not as picked over. However, if you shop As-Is on Wednesday, you'll receive an additional 10% off.